Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today. If you are new here or if this is your very first time on this channel and you didn't know, my name is Milton Fonkwa, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about bank account in North Cyprus. Yes, as you all know, North Cyprus is a small island nation located in the Mediterranean Sea. I have been talking about North Cyprus for a couple of months now. So today's video is all about opening a bank account in North Cyprus for international students. First of all, we need to understand that the currency used here in this country is not a single currency. All right. What I mean here is there are a variety of currencies used in that country or in this country. Alright, North Cyprus is a very funny small island, alright, controlled by Turkey. Therefore, the currency used in Turkey, which is the Turkish lira, is the currency used in North Cyprus. Again, the currency used in Europe, right, in some European countries, which is the euro, is also being used in North Cyprus. And the currency used in the United Kingdom, which is the British pound, is also being used in North Cyprus. So if you are new moving into North Cyprus, or if you just entered North Cyprus, you should know that there are three currencies used in North Cyprus. Now, there are various locations you can use those three currencies. All of them are not used in the same location. For example, if you go to the supermarket, you are going to use the Turkish lira. Of course, you can still use the euro, but it is going to be disadvantageous for you, because if you change the euro, you are going to get less Turkish lira. Alright, so I will talk about that in another video. So today I am going to be talking only about the bank account. Now, as a black student or an international student moving to North Cyprus, you should know that it is not going to be easy for you to create a bank account in a foreign country. Therefore, you have to follow procedures. Alright, there are procedures you need to follow. The first procedure you need to follow as an international student in North Cyprus is that you have to be a registered student. Okay, a registered student. Now, if you are registered in school, of course you can only be registered in school, or you have to be a permanent worker with a working permit. Alright, so if you are registered in school, you will get a certain paper called a student permit. That is the first document. The student letter. That is the first document you will need in order to open a bank account. Alright, the second document you will need to open a bank account is your house contract. Of course, in a foreign country you need to have a housing contract. So if you want to open a bank account in North Cyprus, you need to know that you need a house contract signed by your landlord. Alright, signed by your landlord. So when you have these documents, what you need again is your international passport, or your passport, let me put it that way. And if you get your passport, you carry these documents to the bank. First of all, before in 2018, you could open a bank account in North Cyprus very easily. Okay, us as blacks, not the Turkish citizen. For them, it is very easy to open a bank account and even get a MasterCard. But for us, the internationals, we can only get the Visa card, and most of the times it is not international. Alright, you can only use it in North Cyprus and Turkey. So you should know that. So now, in 2018, it was very easy to open for us. But nowadays, 2019, 2020, the banks and the government said there is a restriction. Okay, and that restriction was disadvantageous for some countries, for some students coming from some countries. For example, if you are from Nigeria, you are not allowed anymore to open a bank account in certain banks like the Turkey-ish Bankasi, alright, the Zirac Bank, okay, and many more. But you can open in certain banks like the Coop Bank. This is for the students who are already in North Cyprus. They should know that, okay, because it is going to stress them a little bit. If they go to the bank, they are going to find out all these informations I'm giving now. So if you really want to open the bank account, it is easy for Kenyans, Cameroonians, Ethiopians, and other nationalities, Zambians, who are in North Cyprus to open accounts. But for Nigerians nowadays, it is a problem. I do not know why. Okay, so you should know that those are the documents you can open. And if you really want to open an account in an easy way, go to these banks I just mentioned. There is another one, the Coop Bank. Go there and you create your account. And remember, when you create the account, nowadays you have to deposit some amount of money inside. Of course, the money the government said, not the banks. The government said if you are creating an account nowadays, you have to be a registered student, as I said, and you have to deposit an amount of 2,000 euros. Some say it's 2,000 Turkish lira, alright? So find out from the bank which one is better for you and which documents you need in order to open the banks. But Nigerians should know that it is going to be a problem for them, but they can still go to the bank and find out if it is possible for them to create their accounts. Because if you are in North Cyprus, please try to get an account, because if you want to apply for a visa to Turkey, you will need a bank statement of your own. That is my advice to all international students. If you are in North Cyprus, try to get an account of your own, because you will need it if you want to travel to Turkey. I hope my information was clear and straight to the point. Please, if you like my video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and do not forget to like and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching today, and thank you for staying on the platform, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.